अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम आपको दिखाने आए हैं सिंध लाजी सिंध यूनिवर्सिटी का एक मशहूर सा म्यूज़ियम है, जहाँ पर सिंध की मुख्तलिफ़ शख्सियात के मजसमे के अलावा बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेटिव चीज़ें अवेलेबल हैं। सिंध की जितनी भी हिस्ट्री है उससे लिंक्ड है ये, तो आज हम आपको दिखाएंगे। प्लीज़ स्टे ट्यून्ड। मोहम्मद हुसैन माज।
The Sindh Museum of Archaeology and Anthropology, situated in Jamshoro, is a treasure trove of Sindh's rich cultural heritage. The museum showcases the province's history, art, and traditions, providing a glimpse into the lives of its people. Established in 1974, the museum has undergone significant transformations over the years. Its collections include artifacts from the Indus Valley Civilization, ancient pottery, sculptures, and coins. The museum also features exhibits on the history of Sindh, including its ancient dynasties, the Sumra and Sama periods, and the Mughal era. One of the museum's highlights is its collection of artifacts from the Mohenjo-daro excavations. These artifacts provide valuable insights into the lives of the people who lived in the Indus Valley civilization. The museum also has a vast collection of ancient texts, including manuscripts and rare books. The Sindh Museum of Archaeology and Anthropology is not just a repository of artifacts, it's also a center for research and education. The museum offers educational programs and workshops, providing opportunities for students and researchers to learn about Sindh's history and culture. The museum's architecture is also noteworthy. The building is designed to reflect the cultural heritage of Sindh, with intricate tile work and traditional motifs. In recent years, the museum has undergone renovations to improve its facilities and exhibits. The museum now has modern galleries, a research center, making it easier for people to explore and learn about Sindh's rich cultural heritage. The Sindh Museum of Archaeology and Anthropology plays a vital role in preserving and promoting Sindh's cultural identity. It serves as a bridge between the past and the present, providing a unique perspective on the province's history and traditions. Visitors to the museum can expect to gain a deeper understanding of Sindh's cultural heritage, from its ancient civilizations to its modern-day traditions. The museum is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in history, culture, and anthropology. In conclusion, the Sindh Museum of Archaeology and Anthropology is a valuable resource for anyone interested in learning about Sindh's rich cultural heritage. Its collections, exhibits, and educational programs make it an essential destination for students, researchers, and tourists alike. Sumra Dynasty * local Sindhi Muslim rulers who translated the Quran into Sindhi and controlled Sindh from 1058 to 1249. Sultan Mahmud of Ghazni * conquered the Sumra capital of Mansura. Sama Dynasty * ruled Sindh from 1339 to 1524 with notable rulers like Jam Unar * founded the Sama dynasty. Jam Nizamuddin to Nindo * expanded the capital Thatta and patronized Sindhi art and architecture. Mughal and post-Mughal rulers. Mughal Empire * Sindh was part of the Mughal Empire, with notable emperors like Babur * defeated the Arghuns with the help of local Sindhi amirs. Humayun * took refuge in Sindh and married a Sindhi heiress, Hamida Bano Begum. Akbar * had a Sindhi chronicler, Abu al-Fizl, who wrote the Akbarnama and Enai Kabri. Arghun and Tarkhan dynasties * ruled Sindh after the Sama dynasty, with notable rulers like Shah Jahan * ordered the construction of the Shahjahan Mosque in Tat. Modern rulers. British colonization * Sindh was conquered by the British East India Company in 1843, with notable figures like General Charles James Napier * led the British forces to victory over the Sindhi coalition. Mir Nasir Khan Talpur * led the Sindhi resistance against the British. Superscript 1.